Hey bros, what's going on? This is Cut My Butt. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because subscribing makes you feel good.
Please like and subscribe.
What's up, guys? It's Arden in Haverhill, Massachusetts, and we got ourselves somebody parked in the freaking corner here.
What a loser.
Let's see who it is. Oh, it's Mr. Fogarty.
It all began 15 years ago. My God, what a fascinating story, Terrence. Especially the part about Celine Dion.
I like it. What's up, Fogarty, man? Oh, you don't want to talk to me? You don't want to talk to me? Why would you pull up the window?
In the middle of the road.
This is not the middle of the road, Fogarty.
Answer me. Isn't there anybody who can help me? Isn't there anybody who cares?
Words matter, bro. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
I am a circus clown at heart.
Taking a break, Fogarty?
Peekaboo.
Huh? Taking a break?
Stop talking about climate change during lunch time.
Can I see? Look at this, guys. The tyrant of the Haverhill Police Department. Oh, they got a good sticker. Fogarty! Hey, you need to retire. You need to retire, Fogarty. Parked right in the freaking corner. Look at this, guys. He's parked in the corner. Can't even get by. Fogarty! Nobody can get by here.
Dude, I need everybody online, now!
You leaving? You leaving, Fogarty? You leaving?
Now run, Forrest, run.
Why are you doing this?
I just felt like running.
Bye! Bye!